The Accessory T-square makes cutting at 90 degrees accurate, fast, and easy. The T-square slides into the chamfered channel on the underside of the track. To secure it, simply tighten the locking knob. The track and the T-square now act as one, like a table saw fence. Slide the T-square along the reference edge of the workpiece until the zero clearance edge aligns with the desired cut position. The zero clearance edge of the track indicates the exact line of cut while providing the precision and accuracy of a table saw.